Hi, welcome back. Today we're doing something a bit different. We got parts for the body for the car, so we're going to fit them today. Here they are. So they're going to go on the back of the car, the front of the car, and the side of the car. And we've also got this carbon wrap. I'm just going to put on the underneath of the car here, just to tie it all in as well. I'm going to stick everything to the car and sort of test fit and see how I want it, and then I'll continue the recording. Okay, so this is what I was thinking. I don't know if you can see that very well because of the light. That's the back. This will be stuck on the side. Then I don't know if the shadow's hiding that. Here these on the front. But first, we need to get that carbon wrap on the back, and then we can just crack on. Then I've just got bolts. I'm going to bolt it on and use some adhesive as well. Okay, so that carbon bit's up now, and to be honest, I think it's looking very tidy. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to get the car jacked up. We're going to start sticking the parts on the back. We're just going to bolt them on and use some adhesive, just in case the bolts come loose. Okay, so I've done one side, and I'll talk you through what I've done. It's absolutely sour gone. It feels like part of the car. So, drill some holes. I've put 3 bolts in it. And in between, I can't really see, I put this Tiger Seal, just in case the bolts come loose. So it'll be stuck anyway, regardless. Yeah, but 3 bolts are solid. I'm going to do the other side now. Okay, so the back end's done now. I think it looks pretty good. I like the way it stops by the exhaust. It looks like it's meant to be like that. Obviously it's not. All this white under here, I'll just paint black at some point. You won't even see it. But the carbon wrap's nice and neat. And I think it's looking pretty smart. I think for that part I paid about £7 or £8. I am going to put the links to all the parts in the description.